Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I am so sorry I've been gone. I know I do say that a lot, but I started my first quarter as a sophomore at UCLA and I went through a lot. I kind of was not good at handling being away this quarter. I don't know why. And it was really hard because I was taking 3 major classes and just adjusting was a lot. And so then I decided to focus a lot on myself, take a break from recording, went to the gym a lot more, and really just focus on school. And it did pay off because I'm getting good grades in my classes from the last quarter. So I'm sorry about that, but I'm ready to get back on this grind, record videos for you guys. I've also not really told you guys, or a lot of you guys, that I started a fitness journey or weight loss journey, whatever you want to call it, in April of 2017. So it's gonna be a year in 4 months, I believe. And I never really talked about it on here, but I also never talked about it because I hadn't really gotten much progress. But then I wanted to talk about it because I lost a total of 23 pounds. And I don't know if a lot of you guys want to know how to lose weight, want to know how to get into fitness or not. Whether you do or whether you don't, I hope you guys enjoy this video because it's part of my journey, it's part of my life now. And if you do, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. So I'm just going to start with my height. I'm 5'6½", almost 5'7". I've like shrunk twice, I think. When I've gone to the doctors, they've told me I'm 5'7 3/4", then I go back and they say I'm 5'6 3/4". So I think I'm just like 5'6½", almost 5'7". So I have always been like pretty chunky as a kid. Well, I was really small at first, and then I gained a little bit of weight. And then I remember in middle school, I downloaded this app called MyFitnessPal, or maybe it wasn't MyFitnessPal, it might have been Lose It. And I would track my calories every day. I did this because I wanted to lose weight. So I lost a total of like 20 or 30 pounds, I think, back in middle school. Maybe like 15, 20. And I remember my freshman year, I was like really obsessed with food, and I just like always tracked my calories and was like, I can't eat this. And so then it started to wear off when I got my car around junior year and hung out with people and went to go get food after school, you know. And then I kind of stopped caring about food. Not saying that my relationship with food was really healthy in the first place, but I just didn't care what I was putting in my body at that point. So senior year high school, I think I gained like back the weight that I lost and also like extra weight. And I just would constantly tell myself that like I'm trying to lose weight but somehow I'm not losing weight. So like to like senior year, even though I wouldn't really be tracking calories, I would still be tracking them like on my own, knowing like the calories. And then I would like keep in with a limit, and then at the end of the day I would like binge, or like I'd have no meals, and then I'd have like a really big meal with like a lot of calories, and then I would indulge like at the end of the day again with like something that's really unhealthy. And I would just constantly tell myself like, oh, I'm eating in these calories, like why am I not losing weight? Like I'm trying to work out and I go to the gym like once a month and say, why am I not losing weight? Or like, why am I not seeing the results that I want to see? So then I had to start being honest with myself, you know. And I realized that like I just wasn't giving it my all, but at this point I didn't really care. So start my first year at UCLA. I was the heaviest I've ever been before. I was 161 pounds. For anyone that wants to know. Yeah, so I was that weight. And I did not know how I got there. I was kind of fluctuating between 159 and 161. And I remember like getting so scared I was going to get freshman 15, especially being at a school like UCLA. and I was just like, okay, something needs to happen, like I need to make a change. So first of all, I already lost a lot of weight my first year, like you guys saw in my last video, just from walking a lot. I wasn't really cutting calories too much, watching what I eat too much. Obviously, I wouldn't indulge in pizza every day or get late night, like bad food every day, just because that's just not like what I like to eat. So I guess in some way I ate somewhat healthy, but I think a lot of it was like the physical activity. So that happened, and then I think I lost around 5 pounds, so I was down at like 154, 155-ish at like, I think by April 2017. And so then by then I was just like, I just don't feel like myself anymore. I just felt lazy, felt like I just couldn't do anything, and I think the main reason was because in high school I was so involved. I was in swim, cheer, competitive cheer, just in so many things, and then going straight to college, it's like I'm in nothing, you know? I'm not doing any physical activity. I mean, I'm walking to my school, to my classes, which is about like 10K plus steps, but it just didn't feel right for me to not be doing anything else. I just realized like I wasn't doing something that I love to do for fun, like something besides academics or clubs or something like that. So I think in April I decided to go to the gym, and one of the main reasons was also because of my friends. They were starting like this new like regimen for the quarter, and I remember I had the flu, so for the first few weeks of the quarter I did not go because I was extremely sick. But then after that, got up every morning and I would just go to the gym, and I already ate like somewhat healthy. I started going to the gym and I was feeling better about myself, but I also realized I would just go into a corner every single day. I'd use the same weighted dumbbells for like 2 months, like until the end of the quarter, and then I would like ask myself like, why am I not growing muscle? And then, you know what? I did a lot of research over the summer, and I had realized that I had to push myself. And so then that's when I really got into weightlifting. Instead of like more cardio based, I got more into weightlifting and pushing myself, and I got obsessed with the feeling of muscle fatigue. Like I got obsessed with going to the gym and doing something until like I couldn't do it anymore. So like doing all my sets till failure and just pushing myself as hard as I can is like what I like to do for every session. And I noticed that like some of my friends will go with me and they look at me like, you're crazy, like how do you do that? And the thing is anyone I go with, beginner, intermediate, advanced, like anyone that wants to go can do what I do in the gym. I'm not advanced or anything at all. I still consider myself somewhat beginner, but anyone could do what I do in the gym. They just have to be able to push themselves. And I really enjoy pushing myself, and that's how you know you get a good workout in. When after you walk out, you don't think about like, did I work out hard enough? Like, you know you did because you tried your best, and it hurt, it was challenging, but you got through it, and that's like the most rewarding part of it all. And besides that, your physique will begin to show that as well. I think that all of that came into play with me finally losing weight, and I'm still losing weight. I don't even know how, losing weight and body fat, to be honest. I mean, I'm still doing the same thing, but I was just really surprised my last week at finals. I didn't go to the gym at all, and I kind of wasn't really watching what I was eating, and I somehow still lost weight. So I think I may need to do a reverse diet soon, just because my body was so used to being on low calories, but I'm not 100% sure yet. I have to reach out to somebody. But basically, if you are trying to lose weight, I really recommend you guys looking up basal metabolic rate and seeing how much your body burns regularly based on how active you are, and then from there start putting yourself in a calorie deficit, because honestly that's the most important part. A lot of people try to come to me and ask me, what workouts can I do to get rid of like stomach fat? What workouts can I do to get rid of this? The truth is, sorry to break it to you guys, you can't target anything. I'm still trying to get my stomach in shape, and even after a lot of cardio, weightlifting, even if you just do arm day, like you still can't target you're fat in one area, because that's just how the things go. But if you want to maximize your results, then you should really follow a strict, not like strict diet, but you should really try to eat healthy and try to keep in like that calorie limit, or at least watch what you're eating, just because that will really help you lose fat overall. And second of all, if you guys want to start getting into the gym or start working out, and if you don't know what to do, please let me know, because I will be more than happy to post videos of my workouts, at home workouts. Like, I do them all. I'll post a ton of them for you guys. I just wanted to post this video to just show a lot of people like where I've been with my journey and what it has done for me, and how I just feel so much better, so much happier mentally and physically. So if I can do it, you can too. So that is it. Thank you so much for watching. If you guys want to see any more workout videos or just at-home workout videos, if you want to see makeup videos, let me know. If you want to see anything, just let me know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you never miss a video with me. And yeah, so that's it. Thank you guys again, and I'm sorry I've been absent, but I really, really, really appreciate you guys for watching this video.